Good day to everyone. I am Mohammad Shafiq from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I hope everyone remains safe and healthy. Wear mask and be safe. This video we are going to tell about the application layers of TCP or IP. First of all, we want to know what is a TCP or an IP. Transmission Control Protocol. It is an abbreviation of TCP. Internetworking Protocol. It is an abbreviation of IP. It is a set of rules and procedures that govern to exchange the message in an internet. TCP was originally developed as a protocol for networks that wanted to connect it to ARPANET. ARPANET is formerly known as, currently we are calling ARPANET as the internet. The main reason that they discovered the TCP is it is a set of rules to exchange a message in an internet. These are the transport layers of TCP. It is represented by two protocols. One is user datagram protocol, another one is transmission control protocol. A protocol is nothing but it is a source or destination point of an execution program in the application layer. It is a set of rules that helps a user to reach an execution program in an application layer. Now we are going to the topic, that is the application layers of TCP or IP. The TCP application layer corresponds to the combined session, presentation and application layers of the OSI model. The basic application of a TCP is the client server model. Before we go into the topic, we are going to know what is client and what is server. In the client server model, the client runs a program to request a service, and the server helps the client that runs a program to provide the service. This is the customer provider service. It is formerly known as client server model. These two programs communicate with each other to give the execution of the program. That is a bootstrap protocol. Another is dynamic host configuration protocol. Domain name system. This is the next application. It is also comes under the client server model. Domain name system. It is a client server application that identifies each host on the internet with a unique user-friendly name. The domain name space is divided into three sections, that is the generic domains, country domains and inverse domain. Telnet. Telnet, it is an abbreviation of terminal network. It is a general purpose client server application program. It also comes under the client server application program. It has three types, using logical login, remote login and network virtual terminal. Logic login. When a user logs into a local time sharing system, it is called as logical login. It is a very simple login. And remote login. The best example for remote logging is work from home. When a person switch on the server in a particular place, using the server we can work from the home using when a remote is on in that server. When a user wants to access an application program from a current server, we can using the remote login, you can easily access the data that are available in that server. This is a major use for the persons who work in home. This is the explanation of remote login. And next is network virtual terminal. Telnet uses the network virtual terminal to encode characters on the local system. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol, it is a main protocol used to access data in the www, formerly known as World Wide Web. HTTP functions like a combination of FTP and SMTP. SMTP messages are stored and forwarded, but HTTP messages are delivered immediately. It is a quick access. URL. URL is a standard for specifying any kind of information on the World Wide Web. It defines four things: method, host, computer, port and path. This method, it is a protocol used to retrieve the document. The host is the computer where the information is located. If the port is included, it should be inserted between the host and the path. Path is the path name of the file where the information is located. Other applications are file transfer protocol, trivial file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, multipurpose internet mail extensions, post office protocol, simple network management protocol. Thank you for this golden opportunity. Stay home, stay safe, live a peaceful and healthy life. Be happy in your life. Thank you.